everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, my mom is going to make this yummy and delicious orange pudding. And now look at how colorful and look at all of the layers inside of the pudding. I know you want to make it. Let's go!
Come back to our channel. For making orange pudding, the ingredients we need: orange juice. I am using fresh orange today. I will show in the video how to make orange juice. And 3 tablespoons sugar, pinch of salt and custard powder. 2 tablespoons custard powder. You can use instead of that corn flour. These are the ingredients we need. For making the orange pudding, we need to make orange juice. Today I am using fresh orange. So now I am going to show how I am making the juice. The same way I am going to make all the orange. I need around 1 cup of juice. After making orange juice, we need to filter the fibers and extra seeds. And strain it. The same way you make your juice until you get 1 cup. As you can see, now my orange juice is ready. Take a saucepan, add the ingredients one by one. 1 cup orange juice, pinch of salt, corn flour and required amount of sugar. Mix well without any lumps. Now heat the pan and cook this orange mixture. Meanwhile, we need to mix without any lumps. After some times you can see the orange juice will be getting thicker. That stage we need to off it. I will show in between. Now you can see the orange juice started boiling. At this stage, keep it in low flame and mix. After 2 minutes you can see this orange juice is becoming thicker. Just 2 more minutes, then it will be ready. Now you can see the orange pudding is ready. Keep it aside. Meanwhile, we are going to make the milk pudding. For milk pudding, we need 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons corn flour, sugar as required, pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon butter. These are the ingredients we need. Another saucepan, add 1 cup of milk, then corn flour, sugar and pinch of salt. Mix well. Now heat the pan and start boiling. At this stage, after getting thickness, I am going to add the butter for extra flavor and switch off. Now you can see the orange pudding and milk pudding is ready. We are going to assemble them. I am going to use this kind of bowl and 1 more glass. You can use any mold you like. First thing, we need to apply some butter. So while taking out, the orange pudding will come easily. Now I am going to arrange the pudding. First I am going to for the milk. Now I'm adding orange. Now you can see how colorful I arranged like partition. You can arrange however you like. I'm going to make one more pudding. Now orange pudding is ready. First make sure you have to cool it down completely. Then refrigerate for 4 hours or until it's set. We will see later. After 4 hours our pudding is ready. Let's see how it came.
Let's cut the pudding and see how it came out. Look at the layers and look at how colorful it is. Let's see how it tastes. Now you can see all of the different layers of milk pudding and orange pudding. Now let's see how it tastes. It's really good. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share with your friends so they can learn how to make this delicious orange pudding. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.